the allegations circulating on social media regarding the OMR sheet of ReNeet candidate Avani Srivastav, NTA sources have said that the image being circulated on social media is not the OMR sheet on the record with the NTA. It is a digitally altered version. The sources have added that the circulated image contains wrong serial numbers, spelling mistakes in the instructions at the top of the sheet, and incorrect field labels as well. They further said that the name Ajit Singh, son of Lakhan Singh and Reena Singh, appearing on the viral image does not correspond to any candidate registered for NEET undergraduate 2026. Atul Ranjan continues to be with us in the broadcast. Atul, take our viewers through the details. Of course, this is a very important development that is coming to the forefront as far as the OMR sheet is concerned.
Well, as you know, given that this particular case, NTA, the National Testing Agency, has issued a fresh set of warning when it comes to AI altered and fake OMR sheets that are being circulated online, is what the NTA says. It has in fact identified some of the circulating OMR sheets as well as claims by different people and different students who are claiming that that there is a mismatch when it comes to the answers that have been tick marked in the OMR sheet that they received on their email, as well as that compared to that on the NEET's portal. This suggests a mismatch. But what the NTA says is, at least in some of the cases, that these claims are fake and misleading, and in fact some of the cases have also used in fact AI altered the OMR sheet to make such claims. Now that has been warned by NTA. However, some of the the educational activists have been claiming that while there could be some of the cases that could be not genuine and fake, but that should not lead NTA to dismiss or ignore genuine cases as well, because right since morning we have been reporting that on social media several of the parents and students have taken to X to claim that while their estimated numbers.
Okay, all right, Atul, thank you for sharing all those details with us. We leave it there and shift our focus to some more breaking news coming in. After Calcutta High Court pauses demolition orders of Abhishek Banerjee's